What do you do if the airline loses your luggage? A lot of people don't realize it, but there are actually specific laws that say airlines are obligated to get your luggage from point A to point B when you're the one traveling to point B. And they're the ones in charge of your luggage. For domestic flights, the federal law says that they have to provide you with up to $3,800 worth of compensation if you have to replace things that you need in order to complete your trip or to carry out your normal activities. If you are flying internationally, the Montreal Convention applies to your situation. Under the Montreal Convention, they must provide up to $1,700 in compensation for any lost items that they cannot get to you while you're on your trip. In addition to the federal laws that are out there, a lot of credit cards that you use to purchase your airline tickets with automatically come with travel insurance. Some travel insurance covers these sorts of situations, some does not. It's something you need to look at. If somebody loses your luggage, you may be able to file claims in multiple places in order to get what you need to carry on. The credit card you use can make a difference. You might want to read that small print before you buy your airline tickets.